Very brief closing announcements. I'm very grateful for all the speakers to come along. I think it was a brilliant event. I've learned a lot. Very excited that that we are able to do this event in this particular way this year. Last year we had a brilliant event, face-to-face event, but in a different way. I think we had also a brilliant event today. Lots of people contributing, lots of interaction. If anything, I think this year we had more Q&A and a more kind of research going on. I love the questions this year. So just to remind everyone of the CBC roadmap, we are still very young. It's a young industry-led consortium. So we investigating this stack of technologies on the top of a design tech. So this is what the CBC in essence is doing. So we depart from the point that you need to design the build environment and then build it and then maintain it and operate it. So we look at things like the design tech itself, things like BIM and CAD systems, but also management tech, fintech, legal tech, and gov tech. This is all very interesting, and we're trying to leverage all this to deal with the challenges we have at the moment, especially here in the UK. So we not only have this disgraceful pandemic, we also have Brexit to deal with and a number of other things, a shortage of housing and so on. So I think technologies like this, if they are very well implemented and used, can really give a huge boost in the economy. We are carry on with our white papers. This is the plan, this is the roadmap. So we had our value letter in 2018, published in 2019. And the construction cash flow white paper was initiated also last year, or actually end of 2018. And we are publishing this year. And then we'll carry on with the BIM and computer-supported collaborative design white paper, and into 2021 we'll have the IoT and operations white paper. I want to thank you very much, all the speakers, brilliant speakers, expert in their fields, thought leaders, for participating. This is very new terrain. It's a rapidly changing landscape, and we're very happy to have this contribution from people in the industry and academia. It's great to see Professor Alan Penn and Professor Philip Treleaven contributing and opening the 2 days of the conference. Also want to thank Niall and Theo for running the workshops. We had workshops on Solidity and Ethereum, but also the Accord project. And it was quite amazing to see how feasible it is to get a legal contract and transform in computer code and tweak it so you can automate processes, legal processes. And I want to know how we did and how you like this conference and how useful it is for you. We want the conference to be accessible and relevant both to the industry and to academia. And we want to really gather this community of startups and people thinking about how to use blockchain and leverage the CBC platform. So if you have any comments or feedback, please email admin@constructionblockchain.org. And Leo and myself will go through the emails and adjust our conference program so it's relevant for you all. And also, please keep in touch. You can subscribe to our mailing list on the website. You can also subscribe to our CBC newsletter. This is a newsletter we send every month with a research that we do here, and we summarize this for you and send you the references. And occasionally, if the papers are open papers, we'll send you the papers as well. We try to curate this for you, so we help you with your search for applications of blockchain in the construction sector. So also, I am quite involved with the Accord project. I'm very involved with Hyperledger. I love what Hyperledger does. It's very interesting and very fruitful. It really makes the industry move forward. We have a code base, a number of code bases in GitHub. So if you go to GitHub Construction Blockchain, you'll see that we have a number of repos there that you can use. And it's written in a number of different languages and are using different blockchains: Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, and Arth Recorder. We will be moving all our videos to our YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel will also have the recordings of this conference. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so we can keep you up to date. So yeah, to conclude, thank you very much. I think we had a good event, and as I said, I've learned a lot. I hope you all learned something new as well, and I hope to see you in 2021, hopefully face-to-face, but let's see. I think this format, it's teaching us lots of new ways to collaborate and connect people. And yeah, and hopefully the conference will be happening here in London in 2021. We probably will be hosted at UCL, at the Bartlett Faculty of the Built Environment, and I hope to see you there. Thank you very much.